Hey guys, I want to make a quick video showing you how I maintain my hair and my protective hairstyling. So I use a hair lotion, and I also use a hair growth oil for my scalp. So I put the oil on my scalp, of course. Just work it all the way through there. I have tribal braids, so I have box braids in the back. So just over here and all through there too. And then I just work it in, and you don't have to rub it in vigorously or anything like that, because the objective of the protective style is to protect your hair and to maintain it for it to last, last a while. Okay, so just rub it through my scalp in the direction that my braids are going. And so you can use your hair growth oil or your hair lotion to moisturize the strands too, because your hair is still exposed even though it's braided up. And a lot of times we take our braids down and our hair is really dry from the dipping and things like that, and so we have to get more cut off than necessary when it's time for our trim. But to avoid that and have little to no trimming or cutting, just keep your hair moisturized, and you go through the strands too, not just your scalp but the strands, the actual single braids of your hair too, or whatever protective style you have. You may have it up in a bun or something like that, but just know that you can moisturize your entire protective style so you can retain length and moisture and minimal cutting when you take it down. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one.